Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on the STX coin. This is one of my favorite cryptocurrency that gives us a lot of trading opportunities almost every month. And let me show you some of my previous ideas that I've shared with you. And I'm also sharing these ideas, almost every idea, at the Patreon as well, with the complete buying and sell targets and the stop loss strategy as well. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Now, first of all, let me show you my previous 3 trades that I shared with you. And this was the trade that I shared in December 2015. This trade I shared at the Patreon, not on the YouTube. And here the price action was completing this final leg of the bullish shark move, cipher move. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action completed this final leg here and turned really very strong bullish. Now, the second chart that I shared with you was the bullish Gardley move that I shared in my previous video with you guys, and this was the bullish Gardley pattern, and this was the video that I shared in previous month, almost 4 weeks ago, you can see. And here the price action was moving at $1.19, and after playing this chart we can see that the price action turned a really very strong bullish from this buying zone, and this was more than 138% bullish rally. And after that, the next chart that I shared with you was this bad pattern that was also formed on the daily time frame chart. And I did not share this chart at the YouTube. In fact, this chart I shared at the Patreon as a private chart. And here the price action completed this final leg of the bullish bad pattern. And you can see that the price action was in this buying zone. And the price was $1.149. And now I'm just going to play this chart, and you can see that the price action turned really very strong bullish again. And this was more than 149% a bullish rally. And now this time again the price action has formed another bullish bad pattern, and I'll show you this pattern with the complete buying and sell targets. First of all, I want to show you this live daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price action was moving very well above this EMA 10 and 21, but this time the price action has broken down this EMA 21. But we can expect that the price action will be reversed back from here. And even the price action did previously here, like here the price action broke down this EMA 21, but it was recovered. And here the price action also broke down this EMA 21 and again recovered. And I'll show you how the price action can be recovered from here, and it can move to the upside to break out the next resistance that the price line has found so far at $2.70 in the coming few days. Now here we can see that the price action has found a resistance here and a support at $1.80, and then we have this significant support at $1.10, you can see, and we also have a minor support here that is approximately at $1.50 or $40. And from here we can expect that the price line will be reversed. And so far, if I place this mouse cursor here and you can see the closing price here, then we can see that so far we did not have any closing below $1.80 support level. For example, here we had the closing above $1.80, and here we also have the closing above $1.80, even though we had a long spike beyond 1.80, and the closing was at $1.96. And here we also had the retest as well. Now if I show you this pattern, this is the bad pattern that the price action has again formed on the 12-hour chart, and it is also visible on the daily time frame chart as well. Now here on the 12-hour chart, you can see I have also placed this volume profile. This is let me place this volume profile again before you guys, so it will be easy for you to understand. I've selected this volume profile fixed range, and I'm just going to apply this fixed range of volume profile on the complete price action moving within this pattern, and we can see that we have the traders interest very low below this level. And if I will place this trend line here, then it will be easy for you and more visible for you guys. Now you can see we have a strong traders interest at this level, but very weak traders interest below this level, and we can see at this level the price action is moving in this buying zone, and this is the same level where we have a very weak interest of the traders, and the price action is moving here. And whenever the price line is going down, then this level where we have the weak traders interest, then it is reversing back to the upside. Like here it is again moving in this zone, and from here we can expect another reversal. And at the same time, the price action has also formed this bullish bad pattern as well. Now here I would like to use some additional indicators as well. Like here I have also placed this moving average, the 100 simple moving average on this 12-hour chart. And if we will switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can have the support of the 50 simple moving average. And you can see that this 100 simple moving average is also moving to the upside to provide the support to the price action. And here I have placed this directional movement indicator. To enter in this trade, we can use these two indicators and the oscillator as well. Like we have the stochastic oscillator that is completely oversold now. You can see that this stochastic is entered in the oversold and showing that on the 12-hour the STX coin is oversold. So once this stochastic will give us the bull cross, like this blue line will cross of this red line, that will be the buying signal like we received here and here as well from the oversold and from very close to the oversold. Then after that we can see that we had a very powerful rallies. Like after receiving this cross, after receiving this cross as well, we had powerful rallies to the upside. So we can wait for it, this bull cross, and we can also wait for this directional movement indicator, the buying signal by this directional movement indicator. Like previously we received a buying signal or a bull cross between the positive directional index, that is this blue line, this one, and this is the negative directional indicator, this orange line, and this is the ADX that is showing the power of bulls or bears. For example, if we have this blue line that is the bullish line is above the orange line, then this ADX shows the power of bulls. But if we will have this orange line above this blue line that shows or represents the bears, then this same ADX will be showing the power of bears. But at this time, you can see it is the ADX is moving down. So previously it was showing the power of bulls, because when it was to the upside, then at that time we had this blue line above this orange line. At that time this ADX was showing the power of bulls. So we can wait for the bull cross between this directional, the positive directional index and the negative directional index. Once this blue line will cross at this red line, then we can take it as a buying signal and we can jump into this trade. However, you can do your own research as well. For me, the stop loss will be this 100 simple moving average, because this is really very strong support, and it is also working as an additional support below this buying zone. And you can also set your stop loss as well. And the buying range as per this bullish bad pattern can be from $1.77 and ends up to $1.67, and the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bad can be from $2.06 to $2.50. However, if the price line will be reversed from here, from this buying zone of this bullish bad, then it can also lead the price line to break out the next resistance that the price line has found so far at $2.80. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.